quick little room tour. Got the happy birthday sign when you come in. Close this door. Got the bathroom. Number one, half bath for our guest. Come in, you got a little foyer area. A little table right here. We're gonna move to the other side. Tall ceilings. Right here, you got a little couch, a little place to entertain. Got drawers, a mini fridge. Yep, you got me right, with some beers. Got some Gatorade, I bought that myself. Some water, gotta hydrate. Coffee maker. Gonna walk around to the bedroom area. Got some luggage out, but it's all good. It's the bedroom. Right here. Very nice decor. Nice bed set up right here. Nice little area right here to put some of your stuff. And a mirror, that's me. You got the bathroom. We refilled some of the stuff we used yesterday. Got these nice shelves to put all your extra things. You got the little walk-in closet with the safe. As you can see, we got some stuff organized. Got some stuff out. Hanging some stuff up. Let it chill. You got the shower right here with the rainforest joint. Shower head. You got the toilet right here with the phone. The window to outside. Got another little area out here. There's a little outside tub. It's covered. And that goes to the other area. So, from the bedroom, you got the TV right here. And you can walk out here to this huge deck. So wrap around right here, area for entertaining. As you can see, we're right on the water. There's a restaurant right over here, public area. We'll walk around here. You got a little lounging area. Another table around here. As you can see, the beautiful view from here. Ariel's in our little plunge pool. Say hello. Hello. Yep, we hear the waves all night. It's relaxing and beautiful out here. So that is our villa here in Punta Cana, Cap Cana, a sanctuary.